Hi friends, and welcome to another Phonics Fun video. Today we're going to continue going over, or really just do a little review of all the weird sounds we went over in recent previous videos. So, those sounds are aw, which can be spelt A-W or A-U. There's also ew, which is E-W, or oo, which is O-O. There's also oi, which is O-I, or could be spelt O-Y. And then there's ow, which could be spelt O-W or O-U. Okay, so here I just have some of the pictures that might help us remind us of what sounds these weird spelling patterns make. So EW or ew. So this is the sound you make when you see something gross. There's also ooh. So this is the sound you make when you see something cool. I know in the previous slide I said aw, and this is the sound we make when we see something cute. So again, that could be spelt AW or AU. And then there's also ow. So again, this is a sound you make if you get hurt. So that could be spelt OW, or you might see it spelt OU in some words. Okay, so those were the spelling patterns for some of the weirder sounds. So here's what I want today. Today, you're going to see a word pop up on the screen. You will be timed. You're going to find the spelling pattern, and then you're going to try your best to read the word. So really quickly, let's go over those sounds again and look at the spelling pattern. Okay, so aw is A-W-A-U. Ew, E-W. Ooh, O-O. Just think it's two O's. It's like you're saying, ooh. It's like the shape that your mouth makes when you see something cool. Then there's this weird one, which is oi. So it could be spelt O-I or O-Y. Oi. And then there's ow, which is O-W or O-U. Right, with that being said, let's get started. So again, find the spelling pattern, then read the word. You will have about 15 seconds to do so. You got this. Remember, find the spelling pattern, and then you want to read the word. And time. So this word is paw. Notice the AW, which says aw, paw. Try this one. 15 seconds. And time. So the word here is blue. Blue. Try this one. And time. So the spelling pattern here is AW, which says aw, and the word is yawn. Nice. Next one. 15. And time. So the spelling pattern here is this O-O, which says, ooh. So the word here is moon. Let's keep practicing. You're doing great. And time. So this word, well, first let's go over the spelling pattern. So the spelling pattern here is O-O, which again says ooh. So the word here is soon. Soon. Nice. About 10 seconds. And time. So the pattern here was pretty easy to find, which is O-Y, which says oi. Now, the word says oi, boy. Nice practicing. Read this word. Find the spelling pattern. All right, and time. So the spelling pattern here is this O-I, two vowels together, which say oi. But we also have L at the end. So now this word reads oil. Oil. All right. Using what you know about the last one, try this one. And time. Okay. This word here, the spelling pattern I see is that O-I again, which says oi. The word is coin. 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 Now read this word. Find the spelling pattern. And time. So the spelling pattern here is ow, that O-W. So now the word reads g, ow, n, g, own, gown, which is another word for dress. Try this one. Find the spelling pattern. And time. So right away, I see the spelling pattern O-U, which also says ow. So now the word reads like this. Out, out. Now try this one. Again, find the spelling pattern, then read the word. Time starts now. and time. So the spelling pattern I noticed right away is this OY, which says oi. So now the word reads oi, toy. Now try this one. Remember, first find that spelling pattern. And time. Okay. So right away, I see the pattern OW. Do you remember what sound OW makes? So OW says ow. So here's what the word reads. Ow, cow. Ooh, now here's a tricky one. This is actually one of our spelling words, but it has a spelling pattern we're going over today in it. So just try your best. Find the pattern first. And time. Okay. So even if you knew the word already, I'm quite sure you were able to find that spelling pattern. And that's OU. So this one's tricky because it has 3 vowels. The pattern is OU, which says ow. So now this word reads out, about. Nice job. You did such a fantastic job with your practice today. What I'd like you to do is if you're still having trouble remembering some of those weird spelling patterns, just go ahead and watch this video or previous videos like this again. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow and have more practice in another Phonics Fun video. Till next time.